Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Line, and this is episode 239 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions and the answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the things we didn't know, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about what happened to the behind-the-scenes videos when a ship goes into dry docks. Can I bring cans of fruit juice and sealed peanut butter? Iris art. Will that be on the Carnival Festival? Not sure what they call that one. I got the combo deal. Can I use the $25 specialty dining toward the seafood shack? And what kind of non-alcoholic beer is available on the ships?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser said that Carnival used to do a behind-the-scenes video of dry docks when the ship is in dry docks, and they are sad to see that they don't do them anymore. They wanted to know, is there a chance that this could come back? John said he could not agree more. He's not sure why it stopped, but he is definitely going to try and take care of this by visiting the new ship in Germany as soon as he can. And they were cool videos. So after the dry dock was done and the boat's back out there, they would put sometimes it was like a 2x or a 3x video of all the stuff they're doing on the ships. And it was really cool to see what they do. So I hope they do bring them back. Question two. This cruiser wanted to know if cans of fruit juice are allowed to be brought on board. Pineapple juice specifically. They also wanted to know, are sealed containers of peanut butter allowed? They use both of them when they have low blood sugar issues. John said, absolutely. The juice is allowed, but please make sure you keep it in cans that are no bigger than 12 ounces. And you're also allowed to bring peanut butter on as well. So there you go. If you like to bring your juices and your peanut butter, you most certainly can. Speaking of if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question three. This cruiser asked if the iris art, which is where they take a pic of your iris and they turn it into art, will be available on the photo gallery on the new Carnival Festival or Festival. If anybody knows the proper pronunciation, put it in the comments. I don't know if you could. Alley or E, whatever. Will it be available on the new ship? John said, yes, indeed it will. We just got off the Miracle, and they did have it available. We were going to do it, but it's a big size picture, and it looks really cool, but we don't really have room on the wall. The other thing I will tell you about the iris art is you're not taking it off the ship. They will mail it to you, and from what I understand, it can take 3 to 6 weeks to get it. So be prepared. When they do it on the ship, you're not taking it off the ship. Question 4. This cruiser purchased the combo deal with Wi-Fi, excursion, and a $25 specialty dining credit. And they wanted to know if they can use it at the seafood shack. John said, unfortunately, no. It's only available for those specialty restaurants that you can pay for ahead of time, like the Steakhouse or Cucina del Capitano. So Gigi's, Bonsai Sushi, all of those you can't use. It has to be something you have to or can pay ahead of time for. Last question. This cruiser wanted to know what kind of non-alcoholic beer is available on the ships now. Great question, because they only used to carry one or none. John said they currently have Coors Edge, Heineken Zero, and Sam Adams Zero, which is their IPA. So we, again, just got off the Miracle, and I can confirm all three are on there. I do like the taste of beer, and some days I just don't want to have a regular beer, and these aren't bad. And they were actually in date, which I was kind of surprised with, because not everybody drinks the NA beers, so they probably sit in the back of the cooler forever and expire and get skunky. They were not. They were actually quite good. So that's been episode 239 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.